Just here at Byron Bay Local Court, Northern Rivers of New South Wales. I've appeared on a very, very serious matter today. It was a high-range drink driving offence. The reading was .202, and it also involved a single vehicle accident around an area where it was kids had just gone back to school, and around their soccer and football fields at about 4 p.m. on a school day afternoon. A client also was charged with the second offence of drive on an expired licence. This matter was not your run-of-the-mill type of matter. It was quite complicated and complex in relation to the number of issues that my client did face and did have going on in her life. She was an elderly lady, 72 years of age, had previously lived for about 30 years in the UK, where she had children, or took her children there to because her ex-husband and their father had landed a good high-paying banking job over in the UK about 3 decades ago. So she lived there for a long period of time. Kids all grew up there. About 5 years ago, however, she had a very, very serious fall. It was a life-threatening fall, and she almost lost her life. She developed a brain injury to some degree and does suffer from cognitive impairment. She returned back to Australia to live with her son here in Byron Bay, and unfortunately for a number of years she has had some mental health issues going on in her life, some depression. She's been medicated for that, but to go hand in hand with that, she has been abusing alcohol for a number of years now. On the day of the incident, she was feeling very low of mood. She went to meet a friend at a local pub and had a couple of drinks. Very, very small person in stature, weighs probably about 50 kilos, had a few glasses of wine, and had been drinking heavily the night before. So it quickly spiked her blood alcohol up to the reading that was recorded, .202. On the way home, she was sidetracked and collided with a street bollard, a single vehicle accident. Thankfully, no one else was involved. She didn't suffer any injuries, but it was a nasty set of aggravating features that were presented before the court today. I only came into this matter after the second or third adjournment had already taken place. I quickly moved to get my client in to see a doctor, get her referred to a rehabilitation clinic. They're full at the moment, but she's made those initial steps. We were able to advise the court that she's made those initial steps, and within 2 or 3 weeks she will be able to enter into the outreach program at the Buttery Clinic in the area. This is something that will help with her alcohol, her mental health, and certainly she's lucky to have the support of her son, who she lives with, who provided a good, insightful letter to the court today. Given the severity of the offence, the matter had crossed what they call the Section 5 threshold, which means that a penalty of imprisonment was to be issued of some sort. We argued that it shouldn't be full-time jail, it should be served by way of an intensive corrections order, which is an ICO. Court agreed with me on that. They gave her a intensive corrections order for a period of 9 months. She was put off the road for 9 months with a 2-year interlock. However, a note has been sent to the RMS to assess my client's fitness to be able to drive again before she's eligible to apply for the interlock driver's license. She was also given a $1,000 fine for the expired driver's license. My client did present as an elderly woman who does have cognitive impairment, mental health and alcohol issues. She's taken initial steps to show the court that she's doing the right thing to get rehabbed. She has no prior criminal or traffic offences, very one-off, out of character for her. I highly doubt we'll ever see her before the courts again, and I do wish her all the best moving forward, because she does need to get some help, but luckily she's got some good family support behind her. Thanks for tuning in. I want to thank you for tuning into Boorman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time.